Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to remove all of your like videos in case your YouTube channel gets hacked just like mine. This is the easiest way to remove all of your like videos on YouTube so you don't have to waste your time deleting all of these unnecessary stuff. So just click on your channel icon on top right and click on your manage on your Google account. Then you may go to the data and privacy. Then you may scroll and click on my activity under the history settings. After that, you may scroll until you find the YouTube likes and dislikes. After that, you may click here. Then you may click on delete all of your activity. It takes a few times to delete of all this. Like if you delete it properly, it will look like this. So there's no history at all because I've deleted all. Thank you for watching.